Hi guys, we are still on exercise 21E. Let's look at the next question. Question number 1, part 30. So let me just try work with left hand side and convert cot and sec into sine. So let's see. This would become cos square A upon sine square A multiplied with 1 upon cos A minus 1 upon 1 plus sine A. And this is 1 plus 1 upon cos square A. The numerator is sine A minus 1, and this would be 1 plus 1 upon cos A. Okay, let's take the LCM and solve it further. This would be cos square A upon sine square A multiplied with 1 minus cos A. I have taken the LCM here, and the denominator is cos A, and here this becomes 1 upon 1 plus sine A. Perfect. And this is plus 1 upon cos square A. This is sine A minus 1 multiplied with, in the numerator becomes cos A, because I am taking the LCM here, so this will become cos A plus 1. So this is cos A plus 1. Anything getting cancelled? Yes, the second power of this and cos A gets cancelled. 1 cos A from here and the second power gets cancelled. So here I have cos A, and instead of sine square A, let me just write it as 1 minus cos square A, and this is 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus sine A, and here I have 1 upon cos A multiplied with sine A minus 1, and I'll write this as 1 plus cos A. Good. So this is in the form x square minus y square, which means I can write this as 1 plus cos A multiplied with 1 minus cos A, and this gets multiplied with 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus sine A. So 1 minus cos A and 1 minus cos A gets cancelled, and here I have sine A minus 1 upon cos A times 1 plus cos A. Let's take the LCM and let's add these two terms and see how does it help us. So let's take the LCM. The LCM would be cos A multiplied with 1 plus cos A multiplied with 1 plus sine A. Perfect. So that's my LCM. Cos A times 1 plus cos A multiplied with 1 plus sine A. Done. And here the first term I'll have to multiply with cos A. So this becomes cos square A. And the second term I'll have to multiply with 1 plus sine A. So this is sine A minus 1 multiplied with sine A plus 1. So this is in the form x minus y into x plus y, which means x squared minus y squared. So this is cos square A plus sine square A minus 1 upon cos A times 1 plus cos A times 1 plus sine A. Done. I know that cos square A plus sine square A is 1. So this is 1 minus 1 upon cos A times 1 plus cos A times 1 plus sine A. So my numerator now is 0, which is basically my right hand side. I did not write certain reasons, so let's just write the reason here. So since sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A, and the second reason for this step was since cot A is equal to cos A upon sine A. So that was one reason here. Then I converted sine square into 1 minus cos square. So since sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, and then this was x plus y into x minus y. Here the reason was in this step, since sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Done. That finishes this question. Interesting question. Let's move on to the next one. The next one that we do will be question number part 14. Let's look at part 14. So it is 1 minus 2 sine square A upon cos to the power 4A. Again, I know that all my relations are in this power 2 form, so I can look at writing this as x to cos square whole square, and this is sine square whole square. So this would be 1 minus 2 sine square A whole square upon cos square A whole square minus sine square A whole square. So this is x square minus y square, which means this can be written in the form x plus y into x minus y. So let me just write this as cos square a plus sine square a multiplied with cos square a minus sine square a. Done. So this becomes 1, and this would be, I need only sine, and I have only sine in the numerator, so let me just convert this into sine. So this would become 1 minus 2 sine square a whole square upon 1 multiplied with 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a. The reason would be since sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, and which basically also means that since cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. Done. So this is 1 minus 2 sine square a whole square upon 1 minus 2 sine square a. So one power of the numerator gets cancelled, which means I am left with 1 minus 2 sine square a. In the right hand side, they want the answer with only cos square. So let me just convert this into cos square. So this would be 1 minus 2 times sine square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. This would become 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square a, which is nothing but 2 cos square a minus 1, which is equal to my right hand side. So hence proved. Done. Let's look at the next one. Question number 1, part 15. So here it is again in the form x square minus y square. So let me write this in the form x plus y into x minus y. So we will write this as 1 upon cos to the power 4a, and this is 1 minus sine square a times 1 plus sine square a. Right? This is 1 whole square and this is sine square whole square. So x square minus y square would be x plus y into x minus y. Done. And this remains minus 2 tan square a. Again, I have started with left hand side. I did not write that. In fact, even in this question, I haven't written which side I have started. I have started from left hand side. Next, I need tan square. Let's see if I can get something from here. This would be 1 minus sine square is nothing but cos square. So let's just put this as cos square. So this is 1 upon cos to the power 4a multiplied with cos square a, and this is 1 plus sine square a. We'll leave it at that. So this is 1 plus sine square a minus 2 tan square a. This cos square a and the power 2 gets cancelled. So I am left with sec square a, 1 upon cos square a, which is sec square a times 1 plus sine square a minus 2 tan square a. Let's open this bracket. So this is sec square a plus sec square into sine square. Sec square is nothing but 1 upon cos square a multiplied with sine square a minus 2 tan square a. So this is sec square a plus sine square upon cos square is tan square a minus 2 tan square a. Tan square minus 2 tan square gives me negative tan square. So this is sec square a minus tan square a, which is nothing but 1. Let's write the reasons. Reason number 1. Here, since sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a. So that's how I converted sec into 1 upon cos 4. Here there is no conversion. Here I have just deducted this. And 1 minus sine square is cos square. So the reason was since 1 minus sine square a is equal to cos square a. This is where I have changed 1 minus sine square into cos square. Here I have written sec square a because 1 upon cos is sec. We've talked about it. And here the reason is since sine a upon cos a is equal to tan a. That's why this tan a comes here, and the last step would be since sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Perfect. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do would be question number 1, part 17. Let's look at this question. It says 1 plus tan A plus sec A multiplied with 1 plus cot A plus cosec A. And we need to prove that this is equal to 2. Let's open the bracket and let's just multiply them together. So then we are again starting with left hand side. So this becomes 1 into 1, which is 1, plus 1 into cot A, that's cot A, plus minus 1 into cosec A, which is minus cosec A, plus tan A into 1, which is tan A, plus tan A into cot A, which is nothing but 1, but we will change it in the next step. And last one, not last one, this would be tan A into cosec A, which means minus tan A. Let's write tan A into cosec A. What would it be? Tan is sine upon cos multiplied with cosec, which is 1 upon sine A. Done. And then last is sec A multiplied with these three terms. So this is plus sec A plus sec A into cot A. Sec is nothing but 1 upon cos, and cot is nothing but cos A upon sine A. And then the last term would be minus sec A, which is 1 upon cos A, multiplied with cosec A, which is 1 upon sine A. Let's see if we can get something. So here I have 1 plus cot A, 1 plus tan A. Let's see what do we get. So this is minus tan A. So this is 1 plus cot A minus cosec A plus tan A plus tan A into cot A is 1. Done. Plus 1, and sine A gets cancelled. So I am left with minus 1 upon cos A, which is nothing but minus sec A. Done. This term taken care of. This is plus sec A. Done. This is cos A, and cos A gets cancelled. So 1 upon sine A, which is nothing but cosec A. Done. And then the last one is minus sec A into cosec A. So we will write this as minus 1 upon sine A dot cos A. We'll write the reasons all at the end. So I have negative cosec A and plus cosec A getting cancelled, minus sec A and plus sec A getting cancelled. So I have now is 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus cot A, which is cos A upon sine A, and plus tan A, which is plus sine A upon cos A, and in the end I have minus 1 upon sine A dot cos A. I need 2 at the end, which means I need only this. So let me just try and add all of these three terms up. Maybe they will give me 0. Let's try. So this would become 2 plus, let's add these two, because this would become sine A dot cos A, and this becomes cos square A plus sine square A minus 1 upon sine A dot cos A. This is nothing but 2 plus 1 upon sine A dot cos A minus 1 upon sine A dot cos A. This and this gets cancelled, so I'm left with 2, which is equal to right hand side. So let's write the reasons which we've missed. So in step 1, many reasons. Since the first thing we changed was tan into cot, we changed this as cot, right? So tan, since tan A is equal to sine A upon cos A, cosec A is equal to 1 upon sine A, sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. These are the terms that I did. Next I did cos square A. So in this it would be since cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. These are the steps, these are the reasons that I did. All this is for the first step and this is for here. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you in the next video. But before I go, let me just jot down some homework question. So homework for you would be question number 1. We are on. So it'll be part 9, part 11 and part 16. Thank you. Bye bye.